Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and are staying safe. Today is April 1st and I will be doing a Stash Bash collab. Make sure to check out all the other lovely 18 ladies here on YouTube and make sure to enter into their giveaway and as well as mine. There are 19 chances you can win the giveaway. So make sure to check out all the lovely ladies' videos and enter. So what I have created are just some like Happymail goodie bags or Happymail like packaging bags. This one is actually inspired by someone here on YouTube, so I'll make sure to list her tutorial on the description box below. I will not be doing a tutorial on this one, but yeah. These are a fun way to use up any type of paper sacks that you do have in hand, and I definitely have lots of these. So I have three different styles or ways that you can create. So here is one. Here is two. These one have like a more depth in them. So you can put something more bulkier. And I've kept these plain so that the winner can embellish them however they want. And then these ones are more like a flat version one. So, and I will be showing you guys how to do all three of them. So I'm going to show you how to create this one here. It's super simple and easy. You can even embellish the front even more with clusters and all that fun stuff, but I have kept it plain so the recipient who will be winning this can decorate it however she wants. So all you need is a paper sack. It doesn't matter the size. These ones here I got from Walmart. They were like $1 something for a good amount, like 50. So a lot of people use this to make a like loaded bag type of thing. So, but I have already cut out the scalloped edge there. With this one, the first one that I'm showing you, all you have to do is fold the piece at the top just like this, punch holes if you want to, and then add ribbon through it or twine, and then tie it, and then embellish the front, and then open the sack, and then you have a bag. Or you can either just, if you want to skip the step of punching holes or adding twine, then you can just put a paper clip on there or staple it. So that's that one, super simple and easy. And then the next one, I will be showing you how to create these. This is how they look on the back. I did sew them at the bottom so that there's no opening. And then these do have a more wider inside so that you can put a more bulkier item. So for the two other styles, you do need to cut off the bottom bag, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my paper trimmer and take the bottom bag here. You're going to flip this and then just fold that. We don't want it interfering when we're trying to cut that piece off. So I'm going to cut about, whoops, doesn't want to go underneath the trimmer, 1/2 inch from that line, and I'm just gonna cut that off. And then you'll have, you can see that it's already like indented for you so that you can fold it. But I'm going to fold it and then fold it the other way because this is like the good side This one has the overlapping paper, so I'm going to fold it back. Fold it backwards. Just like that. Let me go ahead and move the paper trimmer away. And then this is how you're going to get this one. You just leave it as is. Pretend I have already cut the top off and scalloped. You can either hole punch it, fold it and hole punch it, and then put either twine or ribbon on it. You can staple it, you can sew it shut, whatever you want to do with it. That's how that one is. And then for this one, all you have to do is open up the bag, and then you will see that there are 3 lines. You want the middle line to be out. So we're going to just take that and then fold that line right there. I'm just going to kind of crease those back in. Take that middle line there on the other side, and then fold this end here, just like that. I don't know why it's not like matching up, but go ahead and crease the paper. And then with this, you want to flip it on the back side and then fold the lines. So at the bottom, you can either sew it up, or if you don't sew, then you can glue it shut or staple it shut. And then the top piece, once again, you can fold the top, punch holes, put twine, ribbon, or you can just have it like this and add a paper clip to it. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how you create these baggies. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.